Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy design to clipboard in Canva. So for you to copy your design to clipboard in Canva, this is how you can get it done. So just head over and click on this share button on the Canva page, then you click on see or, then you have an option called copy to clipboard, then you click on it, then you give a few minutes to load, then you can copy to clipboard. Once you click on copy to clipboard, you have to wait give the Canva a few minutes to prepare your design to your clipboard. You can see this thing is trying to load like a bubbles. You can see the movement, people design. But you can see right here, Canva wants to send text and image copy to clipboard, then you allow. And once you allow, you can see in success, your design has been copied to your clipboard. Then you click on copy to clipboard, and that's it. That is how to copy your design to your clipboard in Canva. Find this video helpful.